Bad posture is more than just a visual issue. It affects your health and energy. Today, we're going to reactivate your back muscles with 5 targeted exercises. Let's begin. Exercise 1. Locust pose. This move opens up your chest and strengthens the entire back. Lie flat on your stomach with your arms extended straight back alongside your body. Simultaneously lift your chest, arms, and legs off the floor. Focus on squeezing your shoulder blades together and engaging your glutes. Exercise 2. Superman raises. Extend your arms straight in front of you. In one smooth motion, lift your arms, chest, and legs as high as you can. Hold the peak contraction for a second before lowering back down. This is the ultimate exercise for building a strong posterior chain. Exercise 3. Prone shoulder mobility. Place your hands firmly on your waist with your elbows pointing out to the sides. Use your back muscles to lift your upper body off the floor while keeping your hands on your hips. This specifically targets the mid-back and helps eliminate that slouched look. Exercise 4. Superman hold. Lift your arms, chest, and legs into the arched position and hold it. Do not move. This isometric hold builds the muscular endurance necessary to maintain perfect posture all day long. Stay strong and keep breathing. Exercise 5. Child's pose. To finish, sit back on your heels and reach your arms as far forward as possible. Drop your head and chest toward the floor. Feel the deep stretch through your lats and lower back. Allow your body to fully relax and recover. Consistency is key to a healthy spine. Perform this routine daily for the best results. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to Body Activation channel. See you next time.